Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing good in this pandemic situation. Now the situation is not that bad. We can say that. So let's come to our topic. Today we are taking the most complex issue, which is not only from the point of view of our country, but from the view of international relations. That is Indo-Pakistan relations. Since independence in 1947, with the partition of British India, two nations were formed, India and Pakistan. Both the countries have fought three major wars, except the 1971 wars, because which is from the eastern Pakistan, presently which is known as the Bangladesh. The main issue for which we are fighting these wars is the territorial issue over Kashmir. There are many other issues that we will study later. So there are total 6 issues that we have with our dear neighbor. These 6 are: number 1, cross-border terrorism, Kashmir issue, Siachen issue, Indus Water Treaty, Kulbhushan Jadhav case, and some trade-related issues. We will study each these of 6 one by one. Okay? Let's study cross-border terrorism. First of all, learn the meaning of what is cross-border terrorism. Whatever issue we are having with our neighbor country is known as the cross-border terrorism. Number 1 issue is the ceasefire violation. Even after the 2003 ceasefire agreement, Pakistan ceasefire on regular basis. Because of this ceasefire, there is a multiple casualties of security forces and the citizen as well. Okay, there are Pakistan sponsored terrorist attacks, which are named as Uri attack, 26/11 attack on Mumbai hotel, Pathankot airbase attack, and the most recent one, Pulwama attack. Now let's come to our action with all these actions. Number 1, the Balakot airstrike of 2016 and a surgical strike which is very famous of 2016. By looking at all these actions of the Modi government, we can say that India is not going to tolerate any of the issues with Pakistan, and our nation is very much clear in its vision. Moving on towards our next topic, which is the Kashmir issue. Let's study this topic because this is a very important topic. We are fighting for the Kashmir because of the demarcation of the boundary with Kashmir. Demarcation of the boundary. Okay. 3 major wars were fought between India and Pakistan because of this demarcation of the boundary. The war of 1947, 1965 and 1990. I am telling you, please don't mix 1971 war with these 3 wars. Okay. One more issue we have with Pakistan is the Article 370. After the abrogation of Article 370, both the countries have removed their diplomats from one another country. This is a very important topic because both the countries have their diplomats in their capital cities, but they are now removed because of the tussle between India and Pakistan. So let's moving further on the provisional reason that Pakistan have. There are total 5 reasons that Pakistan have, which is the Gilgit-Baltistan region, Punjab region, Sindh region, Pakhtunkhwa and Khyber. Guys, please remember these 2 names. I know these 2 names are very difficult to pronounce, but you have to remember this. Okay, these 2 names are very important. Okay, pronounce with me, Pakhtunkhwa and Khyber. Okay, good. I have told you the Gilgit-Baltistan region, which is the POK region, Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Basically, this region belongs to India, but presently Pakistan had administration over that region. Pakistan took this region from India with the help of Pakistani army and the tribal people from Afghanistan. Pakistan have this region from 1947. There is a boundary line between India and Pakistan which is known as the LOC. Let's move to our next topic, which is the Siachen Glacier. Siachen Glacier is the world's second most largest glacier. It is located at the northern side of the Ladakh region of Karakoram range. The issue we are having with this glacier it is that there is a demarcation issue. In 1984, Indian Army by the mission Meghdut took this glacier and demarcate the region. Suppose it is a glacier. Indian Army demarcated this region and divided into two halves and considered that east side of that glacier is considered as Indian region and west side as Pakistani region. But as we all know, Pakistan never negotiated with India, and he never ever agree any policy that India made. So there are many agreements that have been done on this glacier, but there is no any conclusion for that. There is 2003 armistice treaty. According to that, there will be no any bombardment and firing that will be continuing from 2003. So that, but still there is armistice base that both the countries have at that height. This is the Siachen Glacier, and we are still having so many issues with this glacier, and we will figure out something in later future. Okay. Next and the last topic is the trade issue with Pakistan we are having. Okay. Trade issue is nothing but it is just a revenge that India is taking with Pakistan. Let's look at the points. Uri and Pulwama. These are the recent attacks that India have by the Pakistan army. So India decided to levy 200% tax, which is import tax from the Pakistan. So this is the trade issue. So these all are the issues we are having with Pakistan. So let's finish our video. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much. This is Somesh Bahasar signing off.